It's the tunes on the beat.
Is your favorite girl Ada Ataibo in the building? And you guys know that whenever I come on board like this, it's about to get late, it's about to get down. So guys, it's all about our 2 days masterclass, and today is the second day of this batch, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for what we have learned so far. I'm even more excited for today because our guests will be coming, and of course we'll be empowering one student, and we'll be issuing our certificates to all our new boss queens.
Yes, then you dab it inside.
I have put it on people's minds. I have told people about it. I have talked about it. I have said about it that Vendajules is all about beauty and skincare. So branding is how or what you put in the mind of those that want to patronize your business. When I chose this name Vendajules, I was thinking big and huge, because I know that makeup is not the only thing I want to do in my life. And even when you're looking at the name, you will not even see that it's a combination of my name, my father's name, and my mother's name. So somebody will now go and sit down and say they want to copy my name. I think I'll take it lightly with you. You know how I came about the name? Do you understand? So you sit down and think of all these things. Now the work that you are putting into getting this name is going to make that worth it.
You've seen the progression of Ada to here because she's shown it to you. But I'm sure if you go back, she didn't get a lot of likes. If you now start looking at the likes, so the likes are not important. It's the story. Instagram is a platform to tell your story. So why are you so focused on likes? Ask yourself that question. The likes do not define you. The likes do not give you money. Unless you can tell me that you can transfer each of your likes into dollars. It's just, am I lying? Are you going to change that money, that like, and take it to ECG and buy credits?
How you position yourself, it earns you all that respect, all that trust. By the time you know it, you are making money from just trust and respect. Even some people will look beyond the makeup that you are doing. But because of your attitude, how you present yourself, that's what will take you far.
If a client gets up and has a bad review about you, yes, please take your time. They paid money and they were not happy. Find a way to make them happier. Give them a freebie. Tell them the next glam is on me. Oh ma, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to give you any excuses, but you know something? I will make it up to you. Please, when is your next available time? That's what you do. For who? Clients. Somebody that's giving you a negative review because they've experienced your services and they were not happy. And that is where you now have some guilt and think, hey, I was unprofessional. The person had an allergy, simple. The person had a bad, or the makeup melted. Do you understand? If you see that comment, don't block them. Don't delete them. Call them.
It's good to be on Instagram, but it's also better to be on all social media channels, all marketing channels.
Everybody that knows me, that's worked with me from time immemorial, I sat down and I said to myself, my personal brand is black. So I will find the most fancy things in black that look nice, decent, nothing revealing, and that's my personal brand. I don't come in like flustered, like I just rolled out of bed. No, there are people that do that. There are people that is their personal brand. They want you to feel like they don't have your time, you're not important. No, I'm telling you.
Yes.
They are not going to make you feel special. They've got other things to do. That is what they sat down to say, you know what? this thing, I don't care, but I'm going to make my coin. So it's totally up to each and every one. Me, I'm in the school of thought that your personal brand has to speak to your client about your character without any words.
Your color should stand out. It should take you for a long time. It shouldn't be something that you just do on your logo and that is it. Then you start painting your page with green, black, blue, yellow. Hey! Don't do that though. Don't do that. You will confuse people, and trust me, what you're doing is run away from my page. I don't need you. That's what you're saying that you are not really saying.
Congratulations. I hope that with this kit, you are able to advance yourself. You've got a leg up now with all these products. And we want to see the color box things as well. You've got cash in hand, so data is not an issue. Now we want to see beautiful work by you. And we want to hear of you as well. So keep your confidence up, stay positive. No matter the challenges that come to you, you can rise above them. It happens, it's not about
200 is from Color Boss Cosmetics and 1,000 from Vendajules. And here the box is so sealed. We didn't open it. So if we are going to open it now, or should the winner open it? The winner should open it. So the winner should open it. So this is how she brought it to us. We haven't touched it. I'll probably did that. Then so this is a full makeup kit. And this is my way of, to me, honestly, I like to teach. I like to like tell people what I know, how I've known it, how I've been here. I struggled, you know, without no support, nobody to be there for me, you know. So I'm doing this because he means a lot. So whoever will take this makeup course, I want you to go out there and make me proud, make Alessandrina proud. It's not easy being a makeup artist, but the struggles will definitely make you stronger.
I'm an award-winning makeup artist that has worked on several TV shows that you know and love on DSTV and on Metro TV. I'm also a host for Makeup Diaries that runs on television. And I have worked on campaigns with advertising companies, but my love is editorial makeup. I love my brides and I love all the people that makeup has afforded me to meet, and I love meeting new people every time I work. I think that this industry here is a fabulous one. It is a really great opportunity for young people, actually people of any age, to join. Coming into the Vendajules Masterclass, my expectation was to meet boss queens only, please. And I surely did. I surely did. I was expecting to meet students that were maybe newbies, people that needed to be taught, people that were still unsure of their artistry. But I was very, very disappointed in a good way, because what I actually meant were very confident students, students that have attained a very high level of skill by learning at the Vendajules Masterclass. They met me with boss queen faces, slay to the gods, glowing, and we had a very interactive class. It was really nice hearing from each and every one of them. Seriously, I think that the more students Vendajules puts out there, the better the industry is becoming. So don't miss out on the next masterclass. The Ghanaian makeup industry is really growing in leaps and bounds. The competition is great and positive, and the income is also a very good one to add on to as a subsidiary income or to do it full-time. Either way, I think it's a great opportunity for any creative to get into. Thank you so much for being here. It was an absolute pleasure meeting each and every one of the students. I expect to see great things from them, and I'll probably see you at the next masterclass. Take care.
My name is Abigail Asantoa, and I saw Vendajules 2 days intensive class on Instagram. Initially, my sister saw it and she hooked me up, so I came, and it has been great. She's amazing, she's talented, she's taught us a lot, and this class, I told you, is the best. It has been great, marvelous. Like within these 2 days, it is more than intensive, and I'd recommend to each and everyone. The next upcoming, I recommend to everyone that we all should come. Don't just sit back and say it's just the like for these 2 days, but it's the best. She gives details, practicals, teachings, how she relates and everything. My dear, you wouldn't want to miss it. So, and also, I was a winner. I would endeavor all of us to come. At least expected it. So I say thank you, Miss Ada. Thank you, Vendajules. And I say thank you to all the assistants, to all my course mates, all who came. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Ella from L'Oreal Makeup GH, and this is actually not my first time here. She was the one who taught me as a beginner, and I'm here again for the masterclass. I've learned a lot. I came here to learn more because there are new trends, and yeah, I wanted that. I was impressed. Everything.
Benedicta Jesse. You also have a good bag that we presented to you. Okay, awesome. Congratulations, Benedicta. Congratulations. Nadia Dakulati. Oops, careful. Congratulations. Millicent Adochim Anan. How do you pronounce his name? What about Anan? Congratulations. Congratulations. Benedicta Epson Donko. Congratulations. Regina Patuabo. Samuel Agati. Hello, Miss Wendy.
Congratulations. And last but not least, Asantua Abigail. Hey!
Our king of the day.
Our grand prize
Boss
winner.
queen.
Boss queen.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Blend, blend, blendo.
Blend, blend, blend.
Blend, blend, blendo.
Blend, blend, blend.
Blend, blend, blendo.
Blend, blend, blend.
Sponsored by
Calabox Cosmetics.
Sassy Beauty Lashes and Cute Lashes. Thank you.
We love you, Vendajules.
We love you.
We love you.
Like you, why wouldn't you want to be part of this masterclass even when we are hosting it again? So guys, the next masterclass will be in April 2022, so you better anticipate. Watch out for all the goodies that are yet to come. You know, Vendajules always bring it to the best, so you guys should better sign up and things like that. Yeah, catch you in class. Bye.